Right now, we're doing some thumbnails for the vlog today. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. He can't even fucking take a fucking thumbnail. Look, my glasses are all fucked up.
When they take pictures, their faces all over.
Dude, this dude couldn't take a fucking thumbnail for me, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been debating on what to do today. I have things to do to the 240. I really want to fix up the side skirts and use rivets and make it look a little more flush, because I have tap-in bolts and tap-in like Phillip head screws or whatever you want to call them. But I also, at work, I also made brackets for my fenders. The boys' fenders are jank and they like to flex a lot. See, we don't want that. We don't want them flexing. See, we don't want that flexing shit here. See that? We don't want that here. So, yeah, do that. Keep on. Fuck that bitch up. Fuck that bitch up. Look, like Fabian's flexing. Flexing with the Civic bumper. I know a lot of people with 240s probably have this problem of having fenders that flex a lot. So at work, I found these, I don't know what you would call them, but we use these for mud flaps. So I basically bend it so it can go onto the body of the frame, and then this part at the end will go to the fender. So, but the thing is, I think this is too long, so we're gonna have to measure it out. Basically, we're gonna lift the car, look under there, measure it out, cut it, drill a hole, and basically put these on and then see how it fits. Right here. No. Where you do the arm? You big arm, you like that? Bet you never drink. I'm not drinking more either. I got an extra one in there. Alright. I don't like that. Have you ever tried them? No. Exactly. What the hell? The OEM hole is right here. We're supposed to put this motherfucker about right here, and then it lines up with your fender right here.
I would bend it like that so this goes flush with that hole.
Damn, bro, I didn't bring no Sharpies or anything. But isn't this fender supposed to be pushed in a little more?
However much you need it to. I would just let it where it sits.
Where it sits like that?
Yeah, I feel like that's...
Okay, so we'll just let it sit, and then we'll drill a hole wherever right here is, and then put a bolt in here. Now we know where it lines up and stuff. Now we know what to do. All right, boys, I need fucking likes. So I'm gonna chug the rest of this, which is about half. So give me some likes after I'm done chugging this. Hit that like button. Before we start working on the 240 again, I'll see you guys at Taco Bell.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Sean's channel. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe button.
Yeah!
3-4 bags in the back, and young he called me up and say he got some shit that ain't whack. I told that bitch to go away, and then she start talking back. She sound like Kimi nayo, Kimi nayo.
Crunchy, can I get him DLTs?
Hey, you can't park there. You can't park there.
When I saw with all the fucking crabs getting fucked up. Anyways, back to what's all the hype about this chicken. This naked chicken. Damn. Oh, bro, look at this, man. That looks good. Mmm.
What they put?
Lettuce.
Too much lettuce?
That stuff, right? Yeah.
That's the good stuff.
Or looks more of a Type X than mine.
Shit, you heard it from him. My car looks more like a Type X than him. All right, let's get back. I'm about to eat this last taco, and then we're gonna get back to working on the 240. I don't fuck with Taco Bell, but I'm hungry. I just marked the area where we're gonna drill, but I'm gonna measure it out so y'all can know how long it is from the body to the fender. Oh, this is so hard. One arm YouTuber. Okay. So, let me see. It's about 13 inches and a quarter from your subframe, body, whatever you want to call it, to the fender. So that's how much you want to have between those two, and then you're gonna mark it. Drill a hole in here, and then mock it back up to make sure everything is right. Oh, don't tell me it got in there.
Yeah.
But anyways, it's probably gonna be a quarter. Now I gotta fucking now I gotta clean that. But anyways, we're gonna use a drill bit, but we're gonna work our way up. We'll probably start with the 11/16 and then work our way up.
こいつがマイキー。
Bitch, sit down, little bitch. Sit down.
Oh yeah, perfect. And then we can put a washer. I did bring washers. See guys, you don't need to go and fucking spend fucking 50-60 bucks on some fucking JDM ones when you can go to fucking your local Home Depot and make your own. Right? Or be authentic and just fucking be a baller. Not have to. Dude, look, Jose, look how perfect that was. Damn, it's like literally right there. So, we'll just put this bitch in. I'm using 10 millimeters. You can use whatever size you want. I don't know the thread pitch, so you guys are probably gonna have to figure that out on your own. Google it. I gotta order the fucking lights, the turn signals. I'm tired of it looking like shit.
Like a 240?
Like a 240. My fit in here. Yeah, I would have used.
You can't say that on YouTube, sir.
My oh, my drill. My bad. I'll beep it out.
My pew pew. Cover too, so like your harness doesn't hit the wheel, the tire.
That's actually pretty good. And then it doesn't hit my fender. It doesn't hit the. Oh wow, that's actually sturdy. Look at that. And then compared to the other one, floppy weenie. Damn, that makes a big difference.
You go shake that side, baby.
Dang.
Now we can drive home in style. Say it again.
You motherfucker! You fucking bitch! Why weren't you recording? But anyways, like I was saying like 2 minutes ago, you guys can go to your local like hardware store and pick up like brackets like this. And basically what I did is I pretty much bend it. Like I'm assuming this is like an aluminum style. I don't know what the fuck this, I don't know my metals. But yeah, I just basically bend it into an L bracket and yeah. And then all we gotta do is, I think it was 13 1/4 from the fender to the
Frame.
The frame, yeah, fender to the frame, and drill your hole and you got brackets. Like I wouldn't even go and fucking look on Facebook or anything like that when you can just make it for yourself. I'm sure you can spend about 10 bucks and make your own fucking brackets for your 240 or Miata or whatever fucking car you got. but it is more sturdier than it was. Or dude, no, it is sturdier. Cause like this shit was fucking thumping. That's awesome. So pretty much $10. I'm estimating $10 with screws and then all that stuff. Should be about $10 to fix that fender
Flop.
flop. Basically, you're just making brackets for your fenders, so they won't flop anymore. So look, it pushed it in. It's more.
Oh, more.
It's more in.
What else we're gonna do next?
Don't tell them that. But we have something for this gap too, guys. So we'll be fixing that. Yeah. If you guys think this video helped you guys a lot, leave a like. It helped the channel a lot. Last video I showed you guys about the jet tags, whatever they are, But anyways, I showed you guys last time on the video. I'll leave my website in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help this channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I've been trying to get 1,000 subscribers for like 2 years. It's just because I'm always off and on with YouTube, but I think I'm gonna start making more YouTube videos. I think I have more content and more confidence to start doing YouTube again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I know I have another, I have more content for the 240. It's basically just fixing it up, making it easier for people who don't have a lot of money, like me, to fix their stuff up, like this bumper sag. Easy stuff like making the side skirts flush. Instead of using like big ass bulky ass fucking bolts like this, I'll have a video coming up for to make it smoother by using rivets, if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, Jose has some stuff coming in for his 240, so we'll be working on his pretty soon. And then Fabian has some stuff coming in for his SI, which I think is going to be awesome seeing that thing transform. But yeah, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.